look good. Everyone looks good. Life looks good. Pastas are one of the easiest high protein recipes that you can make if you work out a lot, you're trying to increase your plant-based protein intake, and you're trying to build that muscle. You guys, I eat pasta every single week, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 of my favorite high protein pasta recipes that are gonna be total game changers in your weekly meal plan. I post tons of healthy, high protein, vegan, and gluten-free recipes to this channel several times a week, so if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe below, and let's get right into these healthy high protein pasta recipes. I don't know about you, but when I think of the word Cajun, a lot of meat comes to mind, but luckily for you, this Cajun pasta recipe is loaded with tons of plant-based meat alternatives like plant-based sausages, we've got soy curls to kind of replicate the mouthfeel and texture of chicken, and so much more. It has a really nice spicy kick to it, and honestly, this pasta is so darn satisfying, and it will leave you so full and so happy. So we're gonna start by cooking up a couple spicy plant-based sausages. I'm just using the Beyond Meat variety, but any kind that is accessible to you is great. While those are cooking, we're also going to pop in some Cajun spice soy curls into an air fryer. Once the sausages are golden on each side, we're going to remove them from the pan, and we're going to add our veggies, the onion, the garlic, bell peppers, and some more Cajun seasoning. We're going to cook those for a few minutes until they're nice and golden. Then we're going to also remove them from the pan, deglaze the pan with some water or veggie broth, and then we're going to just add the remainder of our veggie broth to the pan, as well as a large can of diced tomatoes, which we're going to cook our pasta noodles in. Now, if you want this to be high protein, which I'm assuming you do, definitely make sure you use a high protein chickpea or lentil pasta, and then add some more Cajun seasoning, some nutritional yeast, and give that all a really good stir to combine, and press the noodles as much as you can underneath the cooking liquid. Cover it with the lid and cook the noodles for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are al dente, and then add in all of the already cooked items back to the pan. And then this is optional, but I sometimes like to add a tofu cornstarch slurry, which is just silken tofu blended with a little bit of water and cornstarch to help thicken things up at the very last couple minutes. Plus it adds a little extra boost of protein. And that's it, you guys. This is like a 30-minute meal. It is so delicious, so filling and hearty, and it's just like amazing. Now, if you're not a fan of plant-based meats or sausages, or you just don't have them nearby, you can absolutely substitute them out for a can of red kidney beans or even chickpeas or any other kind of legume or bean that you have on hand. That'll definitely still be a healthy and delicious choice. This lentil and veggie marinara is a total one-pot wonder, you guys. It's a dump and go dream. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it truly is. This is the kind of recipe where you pretty much take all of your ingredients and you dump it in a pot and you just let it cook. You just walk away, let the magic happen, and in under 30 minutes you have a totally veggie-packed, high-protein, really nutrient-dense meal that the whole family will love. It is so good. Okay, people, we are working with super nutritious, wholesome fridge and pantry staples that you likely already have in your kitchen, and what's great is that you can customize almost everything in this pasta to suit the vegetables you already have or the vegetables you like. It's just great. So we're just going to start by water sauteing some onion and garlic until it's fragrant. Then we're going to add in our chopped vegetables, season it with some spices. Then we're going to add in our rinsed and drained lentils, give that a good stir, and then we're just going to plunk in those pasta noodles, a whole jar of marinara sauce, plus a few cups of veggie broth or water, whatever you have is fine. Give that all a really good stir to make sure the lentils aren't clumped up and the pasta noodles are well incorporated into the mix. And then we're gonna just try and get those noodles pressed under the liquid as much as possible. Then we're gonna let that all cook for about 15 minutes, stirring every few minutes to make sure nothing's sticking. We wanna make sure that the red lentils are cooked through and they're soft while the pasta noodles are al dente. And contrary to popular belief, red lentils really don't take long to cook at all. 10 to 13 minutes, maybe 14 minutes tops is literally all you need to cook red lentils, which is why they work so great in one-pot meals. This lentil and veggie marinara is top-notch, you guys. It is like the quintessential one-pot pasta that is absolutely loaded with nutrients, loaded with protein, and it's so hands-off. You just dump everything and you go. And it's something that is great for the whole family, good for weeknight meals, or if you are just cooking for one, it's a great meal prep situation that you can prepare to give you lots of meals to enjoy throughout the week. This pesto protein pasta is the ultimate lazy food. Great for all you people who are just not feeling like cooking dinner tonight. What is awesome about this pesto pasta is that it's pretty much done by the time your noodles have finished cooking. All you do is you make a really simple blender sauce, you pour it over your cooked noodles, you let it heat through, and you're done. It's like a 15-minute or less meal, and it is so packed with protein. It is one of my new favorite go-to meals when I just do not have it in me to cook more than like 15 minutes. And I mean, pesto pasta. Like, we all love a good pesto pasta, and it is just chef's kiss. Okay, so if we thought the last pasta was a one-pot wonder, this one is an absolute miracle, and you're about to see why. So while we have our pasta noodles cooking, we're going to add all of our sauce ingredients to a blender. So we're gonna add a whole block of silken tofu, some edamame, just loaded with protein, some peas, some herbs, some fresh garlic, and a few tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna add some pepper. At this point, you can add any other seasonings here that you like. And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper, some nutritional yeast to give a little bit of a savory umami flavor. We're gonna blend that all up until it's a nice creamy green goddess looking liquid, and then by the time the pasta noodles are finished cooking, your sauce should be done too. So then you're just gonna pour that over your drained pasta noodles, give that all a really good stir to make sure the noodles are well coated. Add a little extra pasta water if you find your sauce is a little bit too thick, and that's it. That's literally it. Like, it's a 10-minute meal, and it is so flippin' delicious. You will not believe that it only took you like a few minutes to make. It's so creamy, it's so flavorful, and you can add any other things you want to the sauce. You can add some kale, you can add some cooked spinach. The options are pretty much endless. My friends, I have so many other high-protein, plant-based, vegan, healthy recipes on this channel, like breakfasts, lunches, dinners, desserts, snacks, literally all those good things. 2024 is the year of high-protein, healthy eating for me, and hopefully for you too. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe below, like this video if you enjoyed it, maybe watch this one next, and I'll be sure to see you in an upcoming video. Bye!